Now let's deploy it on OpenSea. Uh, Now deploy it on Goldie and see on OpenSea. Since OpenSea doesn't support Goldie, we have to look at alternative. I think it's a bit old now. You can check it by testnet.opensea.io. I am on Goldie network. Yes, and I can see it here. Test.opensea.io. Now let's move on. Create a quick note account. I have already created it. Now create an endpoint. Ethereum. Golden network. Now continue. Then now just create an endpoint. Okay. Now we have created an endpoint. Now let's move on. Okay, testnet. We are going to deploy this to. We are not going to deploy it to Ethereum mainnet for now. Why? Because it costs $3 and it's not worth messing up. Right now we are just learning, so we are not going to deploy it on the mainnet. If we are going to deploy it on mainnet, then we have to pay a certain amount for it. So we are just testing it, so we will going to deploy it on testnet, which is free. uh, let's get some fake amount in the wallet. Okay, now let's website. Okay, just log in from the account. Then